Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss with you about the distribution of reserves and accumulated profits among the partner at the time of reconstruction of a partnership. We have already discussed that the reconstruction of partnership means there is a change in the profit loss sharing ratio, right? And due to this change in the profit loss sharing ratio, the partners decide to revalue the assets and liabilities, and they distribute the profit or loss on revaluation among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Similarly, if before the changes any profit is created out of the net profit available, that is any reserve is created out of the net profit, like general reserve is there, capital reserve is there, workers accident compensation fund is there, itself profit and loss account balance is available, then such kind of profits, that is known as accumulated profit or consolidated profit, okay, that profit also should be distributed among the partner at the time of reconstruction of a partnership firm in their old profit loss sharing ratio. So at the time of reconstruction, such kind of profit or maybe loss available should be closed and transferred to the partner's capital or current account in their old profit loss sharing ratio. So what will be the accounting treatment of such type of accumulated profit or losses, that we'll discuss over here. So if there is a, suppose that I am writing over here accumulated, or it is also called as what, consolidated profit. If the consolidated profits are available, like I have discussed with you, like what is that, general reserve, then workers accident compensation fund, then capital reserve, or it is given as reserve fund. Also, if we have a profit and loss account, credit balance, that is our profit. Such kind of reserves or consolidated profits, if it is available in the balance sheet at the time of reconstruction, then they are to be closed and they are transferred to the partner's capital or current account in their old profit loss sharing ratio, because these reserves were created out of the profit they have earned before the reconstruction of partnership firm. So it should be distributed among the partner also in the ratio before the reconstruction of partnership firm available, that is called old ratio. So that is why at the time of reconstruction, if this kind of reserves are available, we have to close the reserves and we have to transfer it to the partner's capital or current account. So what will be the journal entry for this? So you can see these are all reserves balances, they are actually a part of your profit. So that reserves always have a which balance? Credit balance. What they have? A credit balance. So such kind of credit balance we have to close. So these accounts will be debited and it is to be transferred to the capital or current account. So partner's capital or current account will be credited. Or the other way, in the very first chapter we have discussed and we have given the effect also many times, that profits are always recorded on credit side of capital or current account. The same thing over here, it is to be credited, right? So the journal entry for this I can write, I am writing the accounting treatment. Accounting treatment of this accumulated profit only. So the journal entry will be general reserve account debit, then workers accident compensation fund account debit, capital reserve account debit, reserve fund account debit, profit and loss account debit, because it is a which balance given? Credit balance, we have to debit it to partners capital or current account, to partner capital or current account.